The manual welding of small caliber tube sockets are low efficiency and accuracy. This is our fully automatic tube socket welding robot, which can completely solve the above problems. It greatly improves the welding quality and reduces the labor intensity. In ZOZEN, we have the exclusive support robot welding station in China. Here we can see that the robot arm can realize automatically fixed position welding in 8 directions, ensuring the welding quality and efficiency.